In today's video, we are diving into a detailed review of the Skullcandy ANC 2 headphones. And since prices are constantly changing, I won't say the exact price of the Skullcandy ANC 2 headphones. To check the current price, the link to the Skullcandy ANC 2 headphones is in the description and first pinned comment. With all this being said, we can get started with the Skullcandy ANC 2 headphones. Skullcandy is a renowned brand, known for producing a wide range of headphones, often at budget-friendly prices. However, this model is one of their premium offerings, and we're going to explore how it stands out in design, features, and overall quality. Starting with the unboxing experience, you can immediately tell this is a high-end product. The packaging is sleek and well-designed, showcasing key features and specifications right on the box. Upon opening, you're greeted with a premium protective case, a nice touch that already sets these headphones apart from standard options. As we open the case, we get our first look at the headphones themselves. The ANC 2 offers true noise cancellation and is compact enough to be perfect for travel, the office, or even long flights. The all-black design gives it a modern, stylish look, and the construction feels high quality, with nice fabric padding around the ear cups. The flexible, adjustable headband is reinforced with solid metal, adding durability and a premium feel. One of the standout features is the memory foam ear pads, designed for both comfort and an immersive listening experience. Now, let's explore the functionality. The headphones are both wireless and Bluetooth enabled, giving you multiple ways to connect. They also feature USB-C charging, so you can quickly power up. There's a comprehensive set of controls, so you have everything you need at your fingertips. On one side, you'll find play and pause buttons, volume controls, a mute button, and even the option to answer calls. On the other side, there's a power button and additional volume control. Overall, Skullcandy has clearly put a lot of thought into the ANC 2, making it both stylish and functional. With features like advanced noise cancellation, comfortable memory foam padding, and a durable design, these headphones are perfect for anyone looking for a reliable, premium audio experience.